We're here at Me Tequila's, and I'm just doing a little doodle here. I started this a long time ago, and I kind of forgot about it. And it was in my sketch pad, so I decided to work on it a little more while I got some time here. As an artist, you always want to take your tools of the trade with you, and then when you got some spare time, you're just waiting in a doctor's office or waiting for your food to come, or you're finished with your meal, which is the case here. You got something to do. Waiting for your check, and it's just kind of fun and keeps your skills going. So, wish you all a happy evening here. And here I am. Tonight I took some of my art supplies with me to a restaurant in case I had some extra time to draw. And I put it all in this bag here. It's called, some of my artwork on there. The original was done in colored pencil, and then I had it printed onto this bag, and it has a zipper. So every artist is different, but I wanted to show off some of my artwork in case somebody would like to have it for themselves. So I had my artwork printed on this bag. It's got the zipper, and it's got a black lining for the interior. And it's big enough you could even put an iPad in it. But I put this Grape Go sketch pad in it. It barely fits. So I probably will get a smaller one so it's not so difficult to put in there. But you put your sketch pad in, and you can put colored pencils. You can put pens in there if you like to write. So I've got various colored pencils here. And you want to have at least the primary colors plus a white one. And I didn't bring that tonight, and I really missed having my white color pencil. I have red, green, blue, yellow, and was that it? Purple? Yeah, that I put in there for tonight. So I suggest not carrying them loose like this. I did that tonight, and I wish I hadn't, because they can get broken inside your purse if you don't keep them protected. So from now on, I'm going to put them in a metal colored pencil holder, because it is very strong and your pencils will not get crushed or broken. And I like this brand. It's a wonderful brand. The colors are light fast and everything. But these are Prismacolors, and I just threw them in my bag tonight, which you can do. But I put them inside this extra bag here. It's just an old makeup bag that I had, and inside that, you can put other things in. I got my kneaded erasers, my handy dandy, and this is what they look like when they're brand new. But you can form them into different shapes, and that's how you clean them. These are really these two over here are really dirty, but this is what they look like before you start using them. So anyway, I've got a couple kneaded erasers in here. I do have a pen that I'm bringing in case I need to write down something. I've got I use this thing a lot. My goodness, my fingers are always falling apart here. My fingernails. Bring some business cards, because you may attract attention as you're drawing, and somebody may want to know more about your art. So if you have business cards with you, that would be a real smart thing to do. So I put my kneaded eraser in there, and I always have a sharpener. This one's by Prismacolor, but there's different kinds of sharpeners. Try to have one that has a cup on it, see, so that it catches all the little goodies that happen. That's just from tonight's episode that was left over there. So, and I put my name on it. I'm always put my name on everything. But anyway, that's a pencil sharpener. I even have a little flashlight. You never know, because it's dark inside here, and you might not, if the lighting's bad, you might not be able to see what you're looking for. I also have a lens cloth. If you have glasses, you might need to wash your glasses so you can see what you're doing. And since I don't use regular sugar or the kind they usually provide in restaurants, I bring my own sweetener, which is stevia, because it's a whole lot safer than using aspartame or some of the other artificial sweeteners. So I use stevia because it's safe. And Of course, you can put a cell phone in there, whatever you want. But just have a big enough bag. It could be a tote bag, whatever. It could just be pencils, whatever kind of material you want to use to draw with. And so that's just my little tip, to always carry a sketch pad and pencils with you at the very least, because you never know that when you're going to have time that you want to fill up and not just sit there and twiddle your thumbs. So God bless you. Have a fantastic day. Jesus loves you. So do I.